Hey guys, we're on a mission to reach 100 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss what we have planned for the summer. Okay, enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome to another Teletubbies reaction. I can't believe it, Doc's in this episode. Whoa, this show's gonna get cute. Anyway, start the show.
One, two,
Wow, it's been 5 minutes as Zoe to epic. And one question, Dempsey, is this a sequel? Oh, okay, fine, this is a sequel. That's what I thought. Which one the woman was gonna pick? Isn't it me, Dempsey, La, or Paul? We don't know yet, but let's find out.
Tinky Winky, Dipsy, Dada,
Yay, it's me! Willie, you again, Paul? Yeah! Alright guys, this episode's all about farm.
We're at a farm. We are making sounds. The lambs make this sound. The gate is squeaky. It sounds like this. Yes, yellow one, yellow one.
Are you going to make the noise of a tractor?
Yes. Run, 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 Piggy, piggy, piggy. The pigs make this sound. The cows go moo. I love making sounds. Bye-bye, cows. Goodbye,
Ow! I forgot cows in this episode, not dogs. Just so on my scrap list, Poe. Ah, Lala, be nice. I ain't everyone, don't do nice.
Uh-oh.
One day in Teletubbyland, Poe was fiddling with buttons and levers.
Oh, fiddly, buttons, and levers. Buttons and levers.
Poe pressed buttons and pushed levers.
Guys, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna do this rehearsal, right? I can argue with that.
Hello, Paul.
Uh-oh, tubby phone.
Paul, it's time for your tubby phone dance.
Tubby phone down. Tubby phone
Oh, so Paul got minutes of screen time and I don't? Chill out, guys. You only got minutes of screen time. Wow, you just blew my mind.
Teletubbies love the Tubby Phone Dance. And the Teletubbies love each other very much.
Aw, big hug. Big hug.
It's time for Tubby Bye-Bye. Yeah, it's time for Tubby Bye-Bye.
Bye, Tinky Winky.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Dipsy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Lala.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Po.
Bye-bye.
The sun is setting in the sky, and Teletubbies say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I probably have a verse. Let me take it to the outro. Okay, Lala, show your stuff. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed our reaction. And you'd like to keep up with the latest videos, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye!